when it comes to very important documents, and I'm talking about life-changing documents like real estate documents if somebody's selling a house, buying a house, a will, a trust, any life-changing document you could think of, especially anything that have to do with finance, with money, you need a notary to finalize that document. All you're doing, you're verifying the person's identity, you're witnessing the person's signature, and ultimately, you're just preventing fraud. One of the reasons why I think notary is a perfect side hustle, when you become a notary, you have a lot of control. When you're doing something as a side hustle, you probably already have a job or you already have another business. You don't want to do something that you can't control. There's these companies that's called signing services. Anytime there's a signing in our area, the signing service will send you a message on your phone, or sometimes they will email you. And if you're available, you say yes. If you're not, you say no. And that's what I mean about control. When you partner up with companies, the companies will message you anytime there's a signing in your area. When you partner up with companies as a remote online notary, depending on which company you partner up with, you could literally work whenever you want. And when you're doing something as a side hustle, that's what you need. You need to be able to control what you do and what you can't do. By the way, I want to do a quick little rant. It's just annoying when I see those videos talking about, oh, make $10,000 by doing this side hustle. Like, if you're doing something that's making you $10,000, that is no longer a side hustle. So I don't know why somebody would word their title of their video that way or even promise that to the public. You know, it is insulting because most people don't even make that amount of money in their careers or in their business. But anyways, let's talk about money. Me personally, I was making $2,000 a month when I was doing it as a side hustle. I was only working 20 to 25 hours a week. I do see some people online and they make about $3,000 a month. In my opinion, that's pretty good. Based on personal experience, you could expect to make that much. If you know what you're doing, if you have a good strategy, I think that's a realistic number. And now, since I'm doing it full time, I'm making way more money now. At the end of the day, when you become a notary, you need to know how to make money, right? You need to know what company you can call, what company you could add your information to. I created a list of 50 companies that you could use that will provide you work, all right? Go to notarybusiness.org/companies. Add your email and I will send you the list. Now let's go into the third reason. You could create multiple income streams. There are a lot of different income streams within the notary industry. You have the typical income stream that everybody knows about. Somebody will come to you and they will pay you your state fee and that's it. That is the most basic one that everybody knows. When you are a mobile notary, that means you're traveling to the person. So not only you're going to charge a travel fee, but also you're going to charge a state fee, and if they want something printed, you could also charge printing fees. If you guys make an agreement, most states allow you to charge a travel fee. You could provide remote online notary services, which means you could notarize online. Instead of you going to the person, all you have to do is log into the software and notarize the person's document. This really started getting popular during the pandemic. That's when they kind of approved it. And certain states are still trying to get approved fully, but most states can do it. Like I'm in Florida. If I want to, I could marry somebody, and I think that's one of the coolest things ever. That's a side hustle right there. If you're listening to me, I just literally listed a bunch of different ways you could make money and create multiple income streams and within one industry. And there's way more. If you want, you could do mobile notary, you could do general notary, run, remote online notarization. You could go either way you want. It's all based on what you want to do because there are so many different ways. A lot of people never think about this. Even notaries don't think about this. The notary industry is protected from AI. Right now, because of AI, a lot of people are nervous, they're scared. A lot of people feel like AI is gonna take their job. And that is true. AI is gonna take a lot of jobs. Even if AI would take our job, that would take years. Notaries have been around way before the internet and all of this stuff. It's gonna take a lot for AI to even try to take notaries' job. Because of how technology is advancing, they will need notaries more than ever. there are more documents that needs to be notarized more than ever before. And especially with AI, people are gonna be committing fraud more than ever before because AI allows people to commit fraud easily. A lot of stuff are being done online. People are buying cars online. People are buying everything online. They need somebody to verify the person's identity. Because if you're buying something online, and not just anything, I'm not talking about sunglasses. Let's just say if you're buying a car online, at the end of that transaction, for you to get that car out ultimately, you would need a notary to verify your identity. I've done it before. If you're gonna get your birth certificate online, because they don't want random people to just be taking people's birth certificate online, and becoming a notary is all about human judgment. That's one of the reasons why it's very hard for AI to even take your job, all right? And I'm seeing it, because me personally, I notarize documents online. And another thing you have to think about as well is the fact that the notary industry is very regulated. When you become a notary, you are appointed by the state. So it is extremely state regulated. So if you're in a situation right now and you're kind of scared, you're nervous, and you don't know if AI is gonna take your job, on the side, I would definitely start a notary business. Honestly, the notary industry has already merged with AI. When you're doing remote online notary, there's a lot of parts of remote online notarization that uses AI already. A couple of bonus things that I want to mention. To become a notary, it is a low barrier of entry. Almost anybody could become a notary, but at the same time, every state have their own rules. Certain states might require you to take a test. Certain states might need you to get a certain number of insurance. It just depends on the state that you're in. And another good reason as well is that it's a low startup cost. You don't need that much money, all right? Now it depends on what you're doing, because like I said, there are a lot of different ways to make money as a notary. So it depends on which lane you're heading. On average, I would say if you have $200, at least you could become a notary, $200 to $300. If you're interested and you want to know more about the notary industry, make sure to go to notarybusiness.org. Every week I will send you an email, and that email will educate you on the notary industry. I've been a notary for like 5 years now, and I love it. You know what I'm saying? But the interesting thing about doing notary full-time is the fact that a lot of people underestimate you. A lot of times when somebody see me notarizing a document, I can't stand when they say that, when they're like, oh, becoming a notary is a nice gig. In my head, I'm like, notary is paying all my bills. Like, that's literally how I'm taking care of myself and my family. Out of all the businesses I ever tried, notary has been the only business that showed me success. All of those side hustles you think about trying, like literally, notary have been here way before those things, all right? Notaries have existed for over 4,700 years. Which is mind-blowing. You don't have to worry about it dying out. So if you're seeing videos of people talking about a notary, best believe it's not a fad, it's not a trend, it's something that's been here for years. Way before the internet, way before emails, way before phones, notaries was always around. So I do have a question for you. Let me know what type of side hustles are you doing currently? What side hustles have you been trying out? Before you go, click on one of the videos that you see on the screen. I'll see you later. My name is Edgy, and I'm out.